Hello guys, welcome back to Legends. Today we are back here with another brand new drone flight. We are in Riverside near the Thames, and I flew here before, but I flew down that side. Today I decided to come a little bit more east just to fly in a different area of Riverside. So yeah, what we're going to do without further ado, we're going to take off. Alright, so got a nice view of the Thames as you can see. So yeah, as you can hear, I'm using my lav mic as well. My last video, my lav mic didn't work when I was flying in Shepherd's Bush because the connector for my lightning cable snapped off somehow. So I resolved that. I've got a different connector. I'm using a different connector today. So yeah, we're going to go to the max height. And we're going to 360 photo. So without further ado, we're going to do that. So you can see the Thames, a little bit of sand. We're going to explore that as well. You can see on the south side of the river, that's basically South London. I'm flying on the north side of the river, so we're going to try and go to that side as well. Alright, so 360 photo is complete. You should see that on the screen, and I'll also provide a link to it in the description. So what we're going to do, first let's go to the south side of the river. So I want to explore that. I really want to explore the south side of the river. Let's go a little bit lower as we do that. So over the River Thames right now. Let's go a little bit lower. And we'll explore the south side of the river. So I put my wind cap on my lav mic, and it's quite windy right now. Hopefully it should block out the noise. So yeah, our drone is officially in South London right now. Last time I only went halfway down the river. This time I'm actually in South London. My drone's in South London right now, which is actually insane. Let's explore this area as well. Really nice. Let's see what's below us. Insane. So we're now gonna head back to the north side of the river. Really nice views, as you can see. We're gonna head back now. There's a navigation light over here, as you can see. I think that's the navigation light. Let's just come back now. I'm gonna get a top-down shot of coming back. Really nice shot. Sun's gone behind the clouds, but we'll come back soon. So yeah, this is where we are. You can see it's sunny. So the wind's coming from the north. So yeah, as you can see, there's a little, there's somehow sand over here. Let's see what's down here. Let's explore it. Let's go a little bit lower. Obviously I don't want my drone to go in the water. As you can see, it looks really insane. Gotta watch out for the birds there. I don't want to take my drone. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. It's really trippy because it looks like I'm low down, but I'm actually not that low on the thing. So it's gonna go a little bit lower. I'm gonna see what that's about. See what's down here. So yeah. So this is what it looks like from here. Let's explore this side. There's graffiti here, as you can see. Let's get a nice shot of that. It's a really nice area to fly. And you can see, I don't know what that's down here. Let's get a closer shot of that. Wow, look at that. Let's get an orbit shot of it. Nice shot. What a shot. We're going to go a little bit up as well. And then we're going to go back this side. Let's go to this side of the river. There's a navigation light in this area as well. Let's see where that is. You probably only see the light turn on at night though. So it's probably down there. Let's go this way. Let's explore this area. So yeah, you can see there's a construction work over here. I'm gonna orbit around this as well. Get a good shot of it. There's a bit of wind. You can see the camera move a bit because when it's windy, the gimbal just moves around a little bit. It's still stable, but you can see. Let's just go around this place. You see construction going on there. I don't know what they're building here, but we'll see in a couple of years' time, or probably a year or two. So I can look back at this drone footage and compare it to what it's now. It's really insane. That's the good thing about getting drone shots of this area. Let's also explore this area down here. Let's see what's down here. So there's construction going on down here as well, as you can see. Really nice shot. It's a bit windy. You can see in the gimbal it's moving around a little bit, rattling. Alright, so you can see the road as well. Let's get a nice shot. So yeah, I want to get a shot of this side as well. And let's get a nice shot of the road going this way. Alright, what else can we get a shot of? Let's explore this area near Barking Riverside. I'm going to walk towards it because it's going to be too far then. So let's go a bit towards it. It's really nice. I was flying in this area before flying here. Now I'm here. So we're looking south side. So let's explore this roundabout area. Looks like the Barking Riverside is still being developed here in 2025. Hopefully we'll see what it looks like in a few years' time. A few years' time you might be watching this and it might already be developed. Really nice shot of the Riverside. And we'll explore this area as well. Really newly developed, it's a really nice area. I want to go nearby these buildings that are being constructed. So as you can see, I'm walking away from my lav mic. I realized, I hope it doesn't disconnect, because I left my lav mic, I left my iPhone 5 with the receiver back there, and I'm walking away from the lav mic. I just realized, I hope it doesn't disconnect. But if it did disconnect, then you're hearing me from my iPhone 12 Pro. Hopefully it doesn't, but just gonna get a nice shot. Then I'm gonna walk back towards my lav mic, and at the same time we're gonna reconnect. If it did disconnect, but I don't think it did. I'm gonna walk back towards the receiver of my lav mic. I should have had it in my pocket, but I have a little bit of a janky setup because my old lav mic connector broke while I was flying in Shepherd's Bush. So yeah, we're gonna explore this little area. So I'm a little bit closer. Hopefully the lav mic reconnects. It's a really nice area to explore. I'm gonna check my lav mic. So yeah, let's just get a shot on top of this. I don't know. I wonder what's down there. At the same time, we're gonna come back. I don't know if it disconnected. I'm gonna check my. Did it reconnect? Yes, it's connected. I think it was connected the whole time. So we're gonna head back now. As you can see, we're headed back. Towards Barking Riverside. No, Barking Riverside's that way. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna explore this area. There's a lot of things down here. We're gonna go around it quickly. The clouds have come a little bit, but it should still be sunny on that side. It's amazing how you can see where it's cloudy and where it's not using the drone. So let's explore this area a little bit. So you can see this little building over here. There's a lot of construction, as you can see. See construction happening here. Then we explore this area down here. I wonder what's down there. There's a lot of things down here. Let's see what's there. So it's a really industrial place. We're just gonna go around it. Yeah, it's really interesting to get shots like this. We're not gonna go that far. We're gonna come back now. See what's down here. You can see a ship. You can see a lot of things down here. And you can see the dock side over here as well. Insane. Look at this nice shot. Let's get a shot nearby of this. I wonder what that is. C-Mex. You can see that right now. Really nice shot. Right, let's start heading back now. What to see down here. And you got a lot of pigeons over here. We're not going to go near it. We don't want it to spook it, and then it's going to hit my drone as well. So yeah, my battery's a little bit low now. I want to stay local. Should I fly underneath this bridge, or is it a bit risky? It might be risky because I could. Let's go a little bit low to it though. we can get a closer shot of it. It's a bit risky. I'm gonna try. No, you know what? I don't want to risk it. It could be anything below there. We don't want to risk it. Oh, birds are going close to it. Let's just go up. Yeah, we don't want to risk it. Let's go low over this sand. Look at that, that's insane, this shot. I'm gonna go low, nice and low. Hopefully birds don't chase it. Really nice shot. Let's land the drone now. Really nice drone flight I did. I want to explore this area as well. You can see down here, a lot of graffiti down here. It's good to get a shot of that as well. Last shot. Alright, let's land the drone now. I'll look for a place to land it. So I'm just going to hand grab it. Alright, that was my amazing drone flight. Let's stop it before. Alright, so that was my amazing drone flight at Riverside. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll speak to you in the next video.